I also got you a bottle of water.
I have one, thank you.
No, it's yours. Merry Christmas. It's even cold. I got you some great half jar of great jam.
I see where you're going. This stuff came from our fridge about 2 minutes ago. I don't know what you're doing with this plan, but
I got you a course. Merry Christmas.
Put it back in the box, dear.
Or
I
the
see where
friend.
you were going. Put it back in the fridge.
I was just trying to prove that it's the thought that counts.
And it is. I appreciate the bottle of water, of course, and the half jar of grape jelly.
Yes, and a beer in a bottle of water. All right, I love you.
I love you. Merry
All right,
Christmas,
we
babe.
will
Merry Christmas,
return with
everybody.
our turkey. That was like 7 minutes long.